Hello, hello, hello. It's Christine Jane talking to you from New West, British Columbia, Canada, as I continue on my tips and strategies in online marketing, as I've been in the online marketing, digital marketing world the past 2 years. And welcome to my channel, my lovely friends. If you don't know who I am, and you just checked this out, I'd like to tell you, I'm 60 years old. I'm from the west coast of Canada, British Columbia, Canada, and I've been in online marketing world for the past couple of years, where I have, actually before that, I'd been, shall we say, in the college of life, having a variety of jobs, from basically working in a sheet metal shop, to working in a jewelry store, to working in a department store, to working for Orange Julius, working for shall we say, looking after 6 kids for 6 years. I've had a variety of jobs. About 2 years ago, I decided to change my life, decided to change the trajectory of my life, and I decided to become an online marketer, because this is the reason why. Because I wanted to, shall we say, work at home, start a home-based business, and start working from home and earning income from home. So as I retire, we will be retiring a much better income state. And I think working from home is the new norm, right? So I thought I'd share that with you now. So I have an invitation for you in the next segment, share with you. I want you to check it out to the very end, where I have some information down below for you to check out as well. A beautiful webinar we're having tonight here from this beautiful community I'm a part of, Successful Solution Method, and the webinar will be led by none other than Amanda Rai. Come check it out. Let me share my information from the next segment. See it to the end. Check out my information down below, my description of everything you need to know. And as I like to say, my lovely friends, see you on the other side to success. Now to the next segment. Hello, 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 my lovely friends. I'm just going to wait here for you, see if anybody can come on and say hello. I'm a little bit behind schedule today, but I'm still here doing this live. So I'm going to give it a couple of minutes, see who all's going to say hello, who all's going to come on. I'm a little bit later. I do apologize, but I still say happy hump day. Happy, happy hump day. Happy Winnie Wednesday. So I'm just going to give a couple of minutes, see if anybody can come on. I'm a little bit late, I know, but you know what? Even late than ever, I'm still here. As you can see, we got a bit of a, well, the sun is coming out soon, because we have a very strange, unusual weather these days. So I'm going to give a couple minutes, see who all's going to come on. I'm not sure. If not, I'm still going to do my live anyways today. What the hey, eh? So let me give me a couple minutes here. I hate to be quiet, but give me a second here. Oh, there's somebody. Welcome, welcome to my live today. I know I'm a little bit late, so again, I'll say happy Wednesday, happy hump day, everybody. I'm going to talk a little bit here to see who all's going to come on and say hello. I'm not sure. Come on, anybody wants to come on, hello. I tell you what, I'm going to carry on and do this, and hello, another person. Welcome to my live today. I tell you what, I'm a little bit slow, but forgive me. Another person, hello, welcome to my live today. As I say, Winnie Wednesday, happy hump day. And I want to share one thing. About little over 3 months ago, I decided to change the trajectory of my life. Hey, Paul, how you doing, dude? Hey, Meek, how you doing? Trajectory of my life. I knew I was lacking knowledge, understanding strategies to build my business online. So I decided to take the next step. I got out of my comfort zone, took a chance, and decided to start a new program. And why I did that is because I wanted to go further in my online business. And I knew the best way to brand myself, to build my business, was to really learn more strategies. And I'm here. And so what I did was, I started this new program about 3.5 months ago, and it's changed my life. It's changed many of the lives of the members of my community as well. It's a beautiful task-based program. I'm sharing that with you now, that helps people build their business online the right way. That helps them become, shall we say, get better knowledge and understanding what we are doing, and how to get people to come to our page, come to our Facebook profile, getting us, hey Mary, how you doing, girl? Hey Ramesh, how you doing? It helps us get better engagement. We're able to we're connecting with one another better with this beautiful program. I'm sorry, somebody's in the process of mowing the lawn here on the because I am in an apartment building, and down below there is somebody mowing the lawn. So sorry about that bit of noise. I'll talk a little louder. Hey, when you're outside and doing lives, this is what happens. As you can see, the smoke from the wildfires in West Coast have actually given us a bit. I might go inside for a second because somebody's really mowing the lawn. Hey, Glenn, how you doing? Let me get inside. It's a little noisy. A little quieter inside. Sorry, but guys, I wanted to share that with you. A momentary lapse of noise, but that's okay. I'll stay inside here. How's that? And just face the lawn. I'll face it like that. Here. Oops. Where is the light? I'm trying to get a good light spot of light here. Okay. That's not too bad. Okay, let me continue. Hey, Michelle, how you doing, girl? As I continue on to share what I want to share, I'm a little bit... It was too noisy because somebody's outside mowing lawn, and I didn't want... As you can see, the background is a little bit hazy due to the smokes from the wildfire down in down south, and it's hitting the BC coast, so we've had quite a bit of smoky days here. But I wanted to share this, continue sharing this with you, my lovely friends, that tonight I'm inviting you all to come to a webinar. Come to a webinar with me tonight to see the beauty of this wonderful platform I'm on, to understand what it's all about. If you want to get good engagement, if you want to, shall we say, increase more knowledge, to increase more engagement on your page, especially your Facebook profile. If you want to, what am I trying to say? What is the word I'm trying to say here? Give me a second. And before I say that, guys, I forgot to say, if you're coming on live here, tell me where you're coming from, you're tuning in from, my brain, or if you're seeing this later on in the day, #replay, and let me know where you're coming from. I do like to meet others and see where they're at and what part of the world or country or where they're at. I tell you, I'm a little bit disheveled. My brain is today because I wasn't well this morning, but I'm still here because I like this Winning Wednesday. I want to share one more time to come visit me today. Come attend this webinar with me today. It's going to be knock your socks off. It's amazing. It's beautiful. The testimonials are phenomenal. We have a beautiful PowerPoint presentation to, hey Patricia, how you doing? To, hey Ashley, how you doing? To really share the beauty of this platform. How you yourself, if you're struggling online, especially if you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer and you really need to get a decent income, this is the platform for you. It's helped me 3.5 months now, and I've earned a good income. And you know what's even better? Hey Carl, how you doing? What's even better, we have 1,000 members now and counting even more this past 3.5 months. That's how beautiful this platform is. Plus, last week, I think we had about, I'd say 488 attendees to this webinar, and I bet we're going to hit 500 today. That's how good this platform is. So, the registration to the webinar is in my storyline, but I'll leave it also in the comments. Come see the beauty of this awesome platform and what I am actually doing on a daily basis, engaging online, getting more engagement, connecting more with people, earning a consistent payout every week, to learning and growing, understanding what your business is all about, what people can get to know you as a person, helping brand your business and who you are. That's the key, is we are our own business, right? So guys, I hope to see you there while I carry on to get my day started because I'm a little behind schedule, but I'm here. I'm excited. Talk to you soon. See you on the webinar tonight, guys. You will be surprised how beautiful this platform is. Talk to you soon, my lovely friends. And I want to give a shout out to Paul, Meek, Moses. Oh, oops. Paul, Meek, Moses, Mary, Ramesh, Galeen, Michelle, Patricia, Ashley, Carl. Coming on and say hello. Mwah. I love you all, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.